Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, March 16th, 2021. It is Try It Tuesday. So, here's a challenge for today. Spend some time outside, let the sun land on your face, close your eyes, and breathe in the fresh air. So, that helps lift our spirits, make us feel better, and relax a little bit. So, spend a little bit of time outside this afternoon. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today we'll be having breakfast, and for lunch, turkey roast. Tomorrow we'll also have breakfast, and for lunch will be a corn dog. Our birthdays today, we have quite a few. Zaquavian Thomas, Kenneth Johnson, Gabby Sewell, and Ashlyn Holmes. Happy birthday! A couple of announcements. We will have a testing environment today. There will be testing held in both the labs and in second grade classrooms. Please avoid these areas if possible, and if not, be sure you are silent to not disturb testing. Also, make sure that you read Ms. Linscomb's email and sent her the information she needed. Today's late duty is Ms. Duberg. Tomorrow is Ms. Granger. Then after that is Peralta and Jones. We are in our ACAP testing window. Tomorrow we have AMSTI PD. March 24th we have PST, and the end of the quarter ends on March 26th. That's followed by spring break, spring pictures, and wrapping up the ACAP summative testing. Our ACAP PEP partners, our second grade's partner is Ms. Overstreet and the pre-K classes. Third grade's partner is kindergarten, fourth grade's partner is first grade, and fifth grade's partner is second grade. So, cheer on our friends as we are rocking out this ACAP. AR Superstars for last week. Miss Barnes' class, Braden Boswell, DeAndre Dwyer, and Leighton Singleton. Curd's class, Lemuel Peters and Eric Yulin. Edenfield's class, Ashton Martin. Heishman's class, Rosalie Miller and Layla Whitney. Miss Lee's class, Astrid Ordonez. And Miss Moore's class, Corbin Franklin. Our top homeroom is Miss Bertolino's class with 92 circulations. And our top patron is Delonte Hollins and Miss Langford's class with 31 circulations. Awesome job, guys. Our word of the day is greater than. Greater than is used to compare two numbers when the first number is larger than the second number. In this example, 5 is greater than 3. And remember, the alligator's mouth always points towards the bigger number. 5 is greater than. The first number is greater than the second number. That's all for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday, Kate Shepherd.